I've partnered with my fellow YouTube creators, Mark and Jimmy, to make this video for you. More about that later. Plastic is fantastic. Plastics are lightweight, can be easily shaped, are strong, and they're inexpensive. These qualities have resulted in plastics revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, from life-saving medical devices to keeping our food fresh. Plastics are so fantastically cheap that we can use a product once and then throw it away. When we need another product, just buy another one. I started my channel to show viewers how to woodify products. Everything from carnival games, birthday party favors, projects to help you organize your home. Plastics are so fantastic that we humans have evolved into a throwaway culture. Most times it's cheaper to buy something versus fixing it or repairing what we already have. However, not in this video. Buying a dust collection attachment coupler can get pricey. A pack of 3 various sizes costs about $20 Canadian dollars. This plastic bottle for this project cost me nothing. Well, if you want to get technical, it cost me 5 cents because that's what I would have gotten had I taken it back to the bottle exchange. All right, the goal of my channel is to save you time, money, and inspire you to do things yourself. Mark and Jimmy started a challenge called Team Seas to raise money to remove plastics from our waterways. The challenge: our oceans, rivers, and beaches are filled with plastic trash. Pollution from plastic has created a health crisis for our entire planet. Our mission is to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of trash from our oceans, rivers, and beaches. 100% of the money we raise goes directly to our nonprofit partners, Ocean Conservancy and the Ocean Cleanup. To help reach our goal, please consider donating at teamseas.org. Go donate $1 and we'll clean up 1 pound of trash from our waterways. If you plan to donate, please let me know in the comments below. If you're not able to donate to Team Seas, that's okay. You can share this video, help us spread the word. You can go to a beach, river, lake, any waterway, and help pick up trash. And of course, you can reduce, reuse, and recycle your plastics.